Where is it?
At Mount Holly,
Oh, there's no Squall warning.
at 43 at Atlantic City Airport in Florida.
Come on.
Across Delaware at 9 a.m.
100 in Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, Monmouth.
Northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 10 a.m. At 9:13 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Mendham to near Bridgewater to near Dublin to near Birdsboro, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes, especially during rapid visibility changes. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 11 and 12. Northeast extension between mile markers 22 and 47. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 7 and 41. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 26 and 31, in between mile markers 39 and 48. Interstate 295 in New Jersey near mile marker 74. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 45. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 4 and 11. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 130 and 133. Locations impacted include Reading, New Brunswick, Morristown, Somerville, Somerset, Edison,
Those are my Cheez-Its.
North Brunswick, Ewing, Carteret, Pottstown, Dover, Thornville, Lansdale, Madison, West Norton, Middlesex, East Norton, Princeton, and Florham Park. At 9 a.m.